As the popularity of mechanical keyboards continues to soar among gamers and typists alike, people are paying closer attention to switch feel, build quality, layout design, and value. But when it comes to fishing gear, those same principles apply, just with rods. Choosing the best fishing rod is all about durability, sensitivity, portability, and comfort. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned angler, this guide reviews 5 top-rated fishing rods to match every need and style. Zebco 3 Spincast Reel and 2-piece fishing rod combo. The Zebco 33 Spincast combo is a time-tested favorite among beginner and intermediate anglers. The 5'6" fiberglass rod is both lightweight and durable, making it ideal for everything from lakes to streams. Its quick-set anti-reverse system prevents the handle from spinning backward, giving you better control when fighting a fish. List 2. Ugly Stik GX2 Casting Fishing Rod. The Ugly Stik GX2 casting rod is renowned for its legendary toughness and versatility. Built with a graphite and fiberglass hybrid blank, it offers an exceptional balance of sensitivity and brute strength, making it a go-to for bass, pike, and more. The rod features ugly tough stainless steel guides for smooth line flow and less risk of insert pop-out. The EVA handle ensures a firm and comfortable grip during long hours on the water. List number: Ghost Horn Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Telescoping. If portability is your top priority, the Ghost Horn Telescoping Combo is a standout. Designed for travel, this collapsible graphite rod packs down small and comes with a carrier bag, ideal for backpackers or spontaneous fishing trips. The included spinning reel, lure kit, and fishing line make it a complete grab-and-go solution. Despite being compact, it offers impressive sensitivity and strength. Thanks to its carbon fiber blend, the reel performs smoothly and features an interchangeable left-right handle. List number: Cast King Sentron Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. The Cast King Sentron Combo brings a high-end feel to a budget-friendly package. Built with IM6 graphite blanks, the rod delivers excellent sensitivity and control for detecting even the faintest nibbles. The combo includes a matching spinning or bait casting reel with a smooth drag system, ideal for freshwater species like bass or trout. The 2-piece design makes it easy to transport, while the stainless steel guides and EVA grips provide long-lasting performance and comfort. List 5. Dr. Fish Fishing Rod and Reel Combo 125-piece kit. The Dr. Fish Telescopic Combo Kit is the ultimate all-in-one fishing solution. It includes a telescopic rod, spinning reel, tackle box, and a massive 125-piece gear set featuring lures, hooks, weights, and more. The carbon fiber rod is strong yet lightweight, and the reel features a smooth 13+1 ball bearing system with high torque. Designed for both beginners and seasoned anglers, this kit is great for a variety of fish and environments. Whether you're heading to the lake, river, or coast, this kit prepares you for anything.